Welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to make Yum Makhuea Yaw. And this is Makhuea Yaw or long aubergine. And now we go to the ingredient. Right. Minced chicken, 100 gram of minced chicken, prawn. You put as you like. Sliced spring onion, red chilli, Thai red chilli, shallot, red shallot or banana shallot, egg, but this one boiled egg, we need to boil first, lemon juice, fish sauce, and sugar. We put just a pinch of sugar, coriander root, yeah, and then first we need to grill the long aubergine first and take the skin out. Okay, and this long aubergine, yeah, we need to cut into half because it's too long. Yeah, just cut it. Yeah, that's it. Okay, we grill this one. Put grill. Use the medium heat, and in the same time we boil egg. Yeah, we boil egg with the boiling water. And 5 minutes, and then off the gas, leave it 5 minutes. Or you can use the aubergine, but long aubergine, the baby aubergine, the long one, the purple one. Because this one sometimes you can get from the supermarket, sometimes you can't. Như ngày mắc khử phào má. Okay, this one 5 minutes, yeah. I off the gas, the egg, and then leave it another 5 minutes. Nearly there. 2 minutes, I think about 1 or 2 minutes. And then take the skin out, yeah, and cut in this side. Okay, I think this one have cooked, yeah, because very soft. I show you how to take the skin out, or you can use hand. Yeah. Normally they use hand, very hot. You have plate, ma. I have to put in the plate. Which plate you want? Okay, then you cut into small pieces. Yeah. Okay, and put on the plate like this. $100, don't forget $100. Or you can put more. Okay. And prawns. Take it out. Okay, and then we sliced all the ingredient. Chilli, depend on how hot you like. This one I mean to be hot. I think this one hot enough, yeah. If not hot, you can add a little bit more. And then we slice shallot. Then we slice the coriander root. This one quite hard. And normal coriander with the leaf. And this one I have sliced already, spring onion. And now we make the taste. We put 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. And then lime juice.
Oh, lots of lime. Ghê quaส้มตำเลย
Yeah. Yeah, we try to put 3 tablespoons first. Maybe you add a little bit more. You know, sometimes I'm very sour, sometimes not. I think depend on the season. And sugar, just a little bit, yeah, to balance the taste. Let me tasteก่อนนะ Maybe put a little bit of, and then a little bit more sour. As I said, not sour enough. And then we put chicken and prawn in here. And then put all the ingredients we sliced. And then we mix together. But don't forget to taste first how you like it. Let me taste first now. How I like it. Nó là mát à. Ngon. The last one, don't go. Look. Okay, now our Yum Makhuea Yaw look like. Okay.
So everyone, we're going to try this Yum Makhuea Yaw. I don't think I've tried this before actually, but it looks amazing. Spicy. I'm trying to place the texture of the. It's actually quite different to normal aubergine, and the fact that it's been grilled is that nice smokiness. It's really good. Plus, it helps that I'm hungry. spicy, sour, bursting with flavor. And this long aubergine is really, really good. So give that a go. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I will see you next time. Thanks now. Bye.